There are various software testing techniques available, each with its own approach and purpose. Here's a summary of some common testing techniques with examples. Black box testing. This testing technique is focused on testing the software application's functionality and behavior without examining the internal code. Example: testing a login page to ensure that the user can enter valid credentials and log in successfully. White box testing. White box testing is focused on testing the internal code of the software application. Example: testing the logic and flow of a function that calculates the average of a set of numbers. Manual testing. Manual testing involves a human tester who manually performs testing of the software application without the use of automation tools. Example: manually testing a web application to ensure that it works on different browsers and devices. Automated testing. Automated testing is focused on creating automated scripts to perform testing of the software application. Example: creating automated test scripts to test the functionality of a mobile app on different devices. Regression testing. Regression testing is focused on testing the software application after a change has been made to ensure that it still works as expected. Example: testing a web application after making changes to the code to ensure that it still functions correctly. Exploratory testing. Exploratory testing involves testing the software application without predefined test cases to discover defects. Example: testing a new feature of a web application without predefined test cases to discover unexpected behavior. Load testing. Load testing is focused on testing the performance of the software application under high load or traffic. Example: testing an e-commerce website to ensure that it can handle a large number of users simultaneously without performance issues. These are just a few examples of the testing techniques that are commonly used in the industry. By using a combination of these testing techniques, software developers can ensure that their applications are reliable, efficient, and free of errors.